Tired of your aim moving on its own? Let's fix stick drift in Fortnite fast. First, go to settings. You press the gear icon here to go to the settings. Next, you want to head to the controller tab. And you want to look for controller dead zones near the bottom. You'll see two sliders. The left stick dead zone and the right stick dead zone. Slowly increase the number for the stick that's drifting. It's usually the left one. So you can change this from a value of 5% to 95%. So test it in game. If it still drifts, bump it up slightly more until it stops. But remember, don't go too high or your movement might feel sluggish. You have to find the sweet spot. If nothing works, try cleaning your controller or switching to a different one. And that's it. Like and follow for more Fortnite Fix-It guides.